Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 best bow accessories review powered by the Products Review. Number 3. Every Bruin product is made from the highest quality parts by some of the best manufacturers in the world. By cutting out the middleman, we can bring you these products at affordable prices that won't break the bank. Number 2. The new IQ Micro Bow Sight offers retina lock technology, which provides instant feedback that will identify even the slightest torque or anchor point change. Micro adjustment knobs that allow quick and simple adjustment of the elevation and windage to precise positions. Dual position mounting gives you the ability to mount your sight to your particular shooting style. Tool-free locking knobs allow you to lock your windage and elevation positions in place without the use of any tools. Number 1. Handmade paracord bow sling for compound bows. Get a secure and comfortable grip on your bow while steadying for the big shot, carrying out to your stand, or stalking your next trophy. Made with comfort and functionality in mind, with durable leather, a strong metal grommet, and 550 paracord, which just might come in handy with its tons of survival and practical uses. Multiple camo options available to match any bow or hunting environment.